Ciao, Team Bella. Welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Miranda Jo, and I'm here with the plan with me for Fitness Friday in my Fitness Happy Planner. So I'm super excited to bring this to you. Now, what I'm not 100% sure on is if this video will actually upload on Thursday versus Friday, but either way it goes, I'm excited to present it. So, if you're new, welcome to the channel. If you are an A1 from day one, hey boo, what's up? How you doing? Hope all is good with you and all is good for you. Okay. So today I have this Wild Essence sticker kit from the Crafty Planner Queen. Now, I only pulled elements that I wanted to put on the spread, which is the beauty of being able to print and cut your own stickers. So if you guys haven't tried it out, you do not need any fancy cutting machines. Really, you just need a printer, some mediocre sticker paper, and some scissors. You can fussy cut and print it. And it's relatively very economical. Plus, if your order's over $5, you can use my code Miranda15 for 15% off of your order. All right, so I have already pulled the stickers. This leopard print was very appealing to me. So I paired that with some pink boxes from this Mojo Jo Plans Series 3 functional boxes, the pink ones here. I pulled some dates from Functionally Chic Pink Blooms from Live Love Posh, and also the physical dates. I pulled the days of the week from the pink book, and then the physical dates, I pulled it from the Dated 2.0 from Mojo Jo Plans, and I also do PR for her. So if you like to save money on your Mojo Jo Plans order, it's Miranda Jo 10 for 10% off of your order. So I'm gonna start by putting this in between these two. I always do it that way because I use both of those boxes essentially for meals. I had to think. I was like, what do I use the boxes for? Like, spit it out already. So I am happy to be here. I'm going to show you my spread from last week. I don't think I recorded that. No, I didn't record it, but I will show you that I am seeing some consistency here. Now, what I thought would be cute, now this is just a theory, I don't know how it's going to work, is to use these purses as the date and just bring it down a little bit here, because I want to, let's see if this is going to work. Let me see. Is it going to work like I thought? So I grabbed these little dates to kind of go right here. So even though you guys may not be able to see it, I'm able to fit the dates right in there. And then the day of the week, I thought I would take the day of the week and put the day of the week kind of like right here on the line. What do you guys think about that? I think it's very different. So I'm definitely here for it. If I can get it to go down straight. And I don't have on glasses. So, and I left them downstairs and I don't see myself going down here getting them. So we are going to go ahead, and that's going to be the process. I'm going to put the little purse on the second line. So let me go do that 2 times so we can finish this here. And then I'll go ahead and put the dates on there. All right, so I think that is super cute. Then I take my labels and I label here. So the first one is going to be for meals. That's what we're tracking here. So we'll put that meal sticker in there. And these are some stickers I just made myself on the on my Cricut. So we have our water. We have our workout, and I have it abbreviated WRK for work, and then out. Everything is fitting neatly in the box. And then last but not least, we have our steps, and this is where I record all of that. Okay, so that's one. Then I thought it would be cute to put down some things like the days that I know that, like, I'm not working out on Monday this week and the water won't take the whole box. So I can use very cute dolls like this one. into that part. Very excited to be able to put that there. And then on the other side, I figured I will not be working out on Sunday. So then we can also put a doll over here on Sunday. Okay. All right. Now we have some plants and other things that we can add. But before I do that, I do want to come in and I'd like to add my my stats. So I do track my stats, and I do have a printable for the stats. All right, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut the little pink strips. And I think I might get some black as well. Maybe we can alternate the pink and the black, and that'll be nice. So that's good. This is good. Yes. I'm going to grab the black one. Okay. We're going to grab the black one in just a moment. But right now I'm just cutting this in half. And if you're wondering why I'm cutting it in half, it's simply because I have not worked my way up to 8 cups of water a day. So this will do the trick. Okay, let's put this like right there. Okay. Now, in terms of the stats that I track all the stats on the Apple Watch. So my steps, the floors, the miles, the calories. So I'll just go ahead and fill this in, and then I will keep it moving. Oh yes. I love doing this spread because even though it's kind of decorative, it's very functional. And I do need to get some quotes. And there are some little quotes that came with it, like believe and love. So I do believe in myself and I do love myself. So definitely those will come in handy. I just got to get the black water stickers and we will go from there, because I want to put another color in here. So, and that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, so let's see. There we go, our steps. And then here's our final one. For that, we got our water together. I need to get the black one so we can track the black water drops as well. Okay. And these are printables that I'm using. So, let's see. You know, I already took these pink ones off, so I'm just going to put them on there. There's 2 shades of pink, but I'm not that picky. I just wanted to put the pops of pink on here. So that's what we're doing. That's where it's swinging towards. And then I just need one more set of pinks, and then we're good to go. Now, so there are days that I know that I have workouts, right? And I think I'm going to grab some boxes, because I want to put it black boxes on here, and I'm going to the original black boxes sticker book, I believe. But I think the only ones I have are the larger ones. So if that's the case, oh no, this is the exact size that I need. So a workout on Tuesday, we can log that workout, okay? And then a workout on Thursday, we can log that workout, okay? And then Saturday would be our other day. So I'm just trying to do 3 days a week, and everything is good so far. So far, so good. So now on the days that I'm not working out, I feel like I could do a couple of things. Well, I'm going to do a couple of things. So one of the things I'd like to do is use this beautiful little floral right there. And then I'm going to put this word believe here. Okay. I think that's cute. And then on the other one, I have another type of floral. So I'm going to lay this floral kind of the same way. And in this one, I'm going to put stay wild. Okay. Now, in this next box that I have, those are so close, but there is this cute little love sticker that I want to put there. All right. So those are the things. I don't want to put love all over. I have a coffee cup, so I guess I could put the coffee cup somewhere else. I just want to bring these pops of leopard all on the page if possible. Let's see. Before I do that, I brought out this Simply Gilded pink washi tape just to break things up a little bit. I think I do want to put them kind of like in this area. So let's see how that's going to look. I don't know if I want to put, I don't want to put that there. I like that it's more functional than anything. So let's see other places where I feel like I can put things. Maybe not this one because it's too big, but there's definitely room here to get something on here. Yeah, that's cute. And then I do have another coffee cup and a pocketbook. So maybe I'll put a pocketbook there too. The purse is so cute and the girls are so cute. So let's see how that looks. I'm here for that because it's just bringing in the tiny little pops. I feel like this can go somewhere as well. I mean, I feel like we're very decorated here, but not so much in this area. So I can tell you, let's see. Shall we put a little doll here? I don't want to put it where we're the eating stickers. I don't want to put them there. And I don't want to cut them off. They're so cute. So I think what I'll do is I'll put a coffee cup like close to the end. I can cut that off and that'll be fine. And maybe another coffee cup over on this side as well, but not where we have to really cut anything off and it doesn't prevent us from writing. Okay. So I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and these stickers are from Simply Smith stickers, but I think they are perfect to do what we need. So breakfast, and I normally alternate them. I need to order me some more. I think I'm going to just order me some more because I really like the look that this gives, and I typically just alternate. And then the ones that do not have anything in it, they serve as a guideline. So this is going here. So our breakfast, and then down on Sunday, our breakfast. So we have a breakfast sticker, and see, it's so functional. That's why I like it. It's decorative, but it's functional. So our lunch, and I typically on the weekends really don't do lunch, but we're going to put them on here and track it anyway. So we'll go down here to lunch and we'll just put it on our page and get ready to call this one done. So lunch. I'm gonna put dinner while I'm on this side as well because it's just right here. So dinner. Okay. Oops, that's the wrong one. Doesn't go there. And I do think I'm going to change out this pinks. Well, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't look bad. We have all these words here. And so we're going to grab lunch and put it right here. Lunch goes up here. Second from the bottom. And lunch over here. And then we have dinner on the fourth line for these two dinners. Oops. Dinner. And then one more dinner. Okay. All right. I really like how this looks. I don't think that is too much. It's just enough. I really want to wipe this February out, or not even white it out. Just grab a pink sticker or maybe another black sticker from the Dated 2.0 sticker book. Okay. I am here for all of that. I'm loving how the cheetah print came out with the pinks, and I'm all ready for the week in my fitness planner. Now let me know what you're doing and how you're decorating your fitness planner. What layout are you using? I just think that this is so functional, and I absolutely love it. So if you enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.